Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Strong update in Tesla. We're on the daily chart, very overbought right now, closing in our 659 level, also filling this prior gap, going through our 612 level, actually opening up on the 586, leaving a little gap behind here. I'll drop down a second to the 4-hour. Here you go. I can't update these levels yet. I'm just going to drag them to the highs, but this is not an official pausing bar, so we're going to have to update them again. But all it does is reinforce this next key levels. We're going to use some gap levels, though. I'm using this for the first pullback area, so 582 now is the first level of support with the rotation zone. If we did get through there, the bottom of the rotation zone is now back at about 550. So those are your two key levels of support. You can also see how overbought it is on the 4-hour, but it doesn't mean it has to stop. So above this 582 area, what are we watching for? I'm going to be watching for this gap fill to the 690 level, and then above there we have another gap fill up to the 723.77 level. So those are our two key gap fill levels that we will be using, and then the major next area is about 740 to the upside. Key support first cross the rotation zone, so now the rotation zone is in bullish mode, and major support on the daily is also coming in at 550. So we have for you on Tesla, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.